Ano yung mga bagay na dapat mong i-dispatcha sa buhay mo? Or sino yung mga tao na yun na dapat mong i-unfriend, i-dispatcha sa buhay mo that's causing you and hindering you to find true life? You see, being loved and accepted, that's one of the greatest desire ng tao. Sabi ni Dr. Brene Brown, who does extensive research on shame and belonging, sabi niya, we are biologically, cognitively, physically, and spiritually wired to love, to be loved, and to belong. Sabi niya, when those needs are not met, we don't function as we're meant to be. We break, we fall apart, we numb, we ache, we hurt others, we get sick. Now, tinan niyo si Tim Keller, the late Pastor Tim Keller, I love his quote. Sabi niya, to be loved but not known is comforting but superficial. Kasi minahal ka, Facebook ka lang nakita, love agad. Hindi totoo yan. Hindi nga alam ko yung profile pic mo, ikaw yan, baka 60 years ago pa yan eh. So to be loved, kahit hindi ka kilala, I love mo na agad ako, I love you, hindi ka pa nga nag-open camera, lahat ng chat natin, naka-off cam ka, love mo na ako. It's comforting, may nagmamahal sa'yo, but it's superficial. Now, on the other hand, to be known, ay, yan itsura mo, ay, ang dami mo palang naging asawa, ay, masama ka palang anak. To be known and not loved is our greatest fear. Kaya nga pag nagliligawan, marami kang tinutago kasi pag nalamang hindi ako college graduate, pag nalamang hindi ako nakapagtrabaho, pag nalaman na tong may anak na ako sa labas, naku, baka hindi ako mahalin. So to be known and not loved is our greatest fear. But listen up, to be fully known and to be truly loved is like being loved by God. It's a lot like being loved by this God. We are fully known and yet truly loved. And yet, minahal ka sa dami ng baho mo, sa dami ng alam ni God na kasalanan, minahal ka. That's revolutionary, isn't it? Jesus didn't just change her circumstances, He changed her community status. After nung na-change identity niya, she went from outsider to insider, from rejected to accepted, from hidden to celebrated. Belonging isn't about perfect performance. It's about being perfectly loved despite imperfect performance. So, kaya ikaw na nakikinig ngayon, your past doesn't disqualify you from His love. It qualifies you for His grace.